what is your name?
My name is Jason Hardy.
Okay, and what are you most excited for at TMP this year?
The one that I'm most involved in is the NHRA Yes Day on May 15th, where we're going to bring school kids out from all different school districts, going to give them an opportunity to experience some trades, going to give them an opportunity to talk to trades experts, and check out some racing. So it's going to be a great day with the kids.
Perfect. And how many students do we usually get for that?
Last year we had 500. I am assuming we're probably going to have at least 500, maybe closer to 750 this year. So we're getting a great amount of interest. We have a lot of different businesses that want to be a part of it. Everybody's really excited about it. Uli and Jessica at the track have, given us the green light to kind of turn this into whatever we want to turn it into, and it's really making traction. It's going to be a really good thing.
Yeah, and we, as always, appreciate everything that you're doing, helping us out. And like Jason said, it's really turned into a great event. And we have, like you said, we have about 500 students coming out, and I know it's something that the schools look forward to year after year.
Absolutely. Yeah, the schools look forward to it. The kids look forward to it. And the cool part is we're letting kids experience drag racing that have never seen drag racing before. And I mean, literally, if we want to get new butts in the seats at a racetrack, that's the way. Bring new people out to the racetrack and let them experience it.
Would you say that we are fueling the next generation?
I would 100% say we're fueling the next generation.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.